Hello everybody, finally some price action today in the traditional markets. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. There we are down 1% for the moment. So let's drop it to the 1 hour time frame. Let's remove the harmonic pattern indicator. So there we did come down. If we take the Fibonacci retracement from this low to the high, and we go for the 0.886 retracement, then we can see that we just did hit it, and then we got support and we're going back up again. So this is very good. This might become a harmonic pattern. So that's to be seen what will happen in the coming days. I did open a long position somewhere around here, but I'm not going to keep it for a long period. I think so. The maximum I would hold it open is until the 0.886 retracement over here, which is 4,356. Unless we really break through it with high volume, but I doubt it. So I think we're up for some harmonic pattern here. So I will see how that one plays out. So, then we have gold. So on the daily, gold was doing pretty well during the day, but now it got smashed down. So we're at how much? Minus 0.1. Silver got hit 0.82%. So, but still we're in an uptrend. So we're still finding support at the bottom of this channel in white over here. Then crude oil. Let's get the harmonic pattern. So this is what we were looking at. So crude oil plus 1.25. So yesterday we did find support at this naked point of control. So next target here, the take profit one, around $70. We also have a naked point of control over here, or maybe the one here a bit lower. What else? Stock market, the Viva Systems still doesn't know which way it wants to go. So I still have my short open here. Microsoft, here we have a new pattern which did develop. So here we have a crab, which is always a nice pattern because crabs, and deep crabs, they have this very sharp increase or decrease in price, and you almost have a guaranteed reversal because you just went up way too fast, or in the opposite direction, way too low. So I think this one has a good chance to work out. So I'm also here in a short, and then we have PayPal. Here we have this Gartley, which also looks good for the moment. So I think it will all depend a bit how the major indexes are behaving when they all start coming down, and I think all stocks will also come down. So I'm also in a short over here. And then quickly Euro Hungarian forint. So we had to take profit one yesterday, and now we were also nicely higher earlier today. Got rejection, and now we're gonna have to wait till we have our second profit target. All right, cryptos then. So let's have a look at the Bitstamp chart, for example, and let's reverse the chart. Invert scale, and we remove the harmonic patterns. So now the question is, when you look at this chart, what do you think will happen from here? Does it look like we will go up, or would it look like we would rather go down? So if you think it will go up, then it means you're bearish on Bitcoin, because it's an inverted chart. So if you go up, price goes lower. If you think it will go down, then prices are going up and you're bullish. So to me, this looks more like a bearish chart, that we will continue going further down. So since it's inverted, it means we will see higher prices. So sometimes it's better to look at the inverse chart, just to get rid of your bias. And this is a good way to do it from time to time, especially when you're in doubt. So this is the regular one. So we find support over here and we go up. So let's go back to the Bybit chart. There I have my drawings. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. I did remove this the green harmonic pattern I had there. It didn't make sense anymore. It didn't work out. Also, this one I'm going to delete, this purple one, because this leg also doesn't make sense anymore, because then you would have before you reach the top of the channel, you would have a leg like this, which is extremely long and doesn't have a nice symmetry. So I will remove this one as well to clean up the drawing as well. So where are we heading to now? So I thought yesterday that we might bounce off, let's zoom in, of this naked point of control. It didn't happen, or let's maybe go to the 4 hour. So it didn't happen. So this yellow line, I can delete it. So we did go further down. Now, what I think will happen is that we will have this bullish Gartley over here. For that, we still need to go down a bit further, and there we have a lot of confluences. So this CME gap, which I was looking for already for a while, is now filled. So this one we can remove, and here is still this naked point of control that I'm looking for already for several days to be hit. Unfortunately, I did already buy for my long-term holdings up here. So I bought a bit, if it looks like $3,000 more expensive than where I initially wanted to buy it. But okay, so be it. So we have the naked point of control. If we have a look at the volume by price from this low, which is marked point D, we take it to point A, which was the highest high we had so far. Then you have the value area low, so the bottom 70% of trades which did happen here. So this is around 31,800 region. So this, we have this one first, then we have the 0.618 retracement. So let's have a look where this one is coming from. So this is also from the low to this point A, so just like the volume by price. So here we have the golden zone. What else do we have? The naked point of control, of course. And this is getting, oh yeah, and then we have the 0.786 retracement, which is from point X to point A. And this is a nice zone of confluence. So if we now take the VWAP, so the volume weighted average price, we're now above it, but it looks like we're topping out over here, so we might come down for another leg. So let's draw that one. I think we will come down for this one and then have the bounce. So also, if you draw a channel, a parallel channel from this A to point C and then to point B, then you follow the white line, and you can also see that we have the bottom of the channel over here crossing the golden zone. So this is also an extra confluence. So this region here starts to look really, really good. Probably on my swing trade account, I will buy some more over here. Further down, if we lose that, we still have the daily. We still have the 4-hour support, which dates back from here the 26th. And if we lose that, then I lose all hope. then I don't think we have to look at any bullish scenario anymore. So there's this triangle. So if we would take the measurement, so from the high to the low, what shall we take? Let's take red. So we take this at the point of the breakout. So then we would go to the 30k region, but I don't see any confluence there. But as I mentioned yesterday, it happens very often that that Bitcoin makes a fake out to the one side and then just goes to the opposite side. And I think it will be exactly the same here. We make everybody bearish, we break out to the downside, open a lot of shorts, let the price come down, and then buy up everything, and with a short squeeze we go up. All right, Ethereum -7%. So let's see. So yesterday, or actually today, we lost the trend line, which I did draw yesterday over here. The white one, we can remove that one. And then yesterday I made the drawing here. So if Bitcoin indeed will come down to the golden zone, then Ethereum might also come down to find support over here at the weekly plus the naked point of control. So that's another 2% down. So I'm gonna see how this one works out. And then oh yeah, another one I wanted to mention was the S&P compared to gold. let's take some indicators off. So today we gapped down, which means that we're better off invested in gold rather than the S&P 500. So it looks like we did top out at this monthly resistance. So let's have a look how this looks like. So we reached the top here in October 18. Now we're back there, and maybe we come further down. All right, back to the crypto charts. So Tezos almost touched the trigger line, but so far no sell signal. Dogecoin, nothing to be mentioned. We're coming further down, no buy signal. And then Bitcoin, we're still in the short position, also no buy signal over there. Ethereum, also nothing. We touched it yesterday, but got rejected and we're down again. Bitcoin Cash, also nothing. And then XRP, we got a sell signal 3 days ago and we're heading down. So fear and greed index, so for the stock market, 32 now, we're fearful, and yesterday at 39. For the crypto market, yesterday 28 fear, today 20, which is extreme fear. And then let's have a look at our trading account. So XRP, $35 in profit. Bitcoin, $34 underwater, and Tezos, $70. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.